Welcome to our exploration of the best places to visit in British Columbia, a province that truly embodies the essence of natural beauty and diverse attractions. Nestled on the west coast of Canada, British Columbia is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, ranging from majestic mountains and lush forests to stunning coastlines and vibrant urban centres. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a culture lover, or someone seeking unique experiences, this province has something for everyone. Imagine standing atop the rugged peaks of the Rocky Mountains, breathing in the crisp, fresh air, or wandering through the enchanting rainforests of Vancouver Island. Each corner of British Columbia offers a new adventure, with opportunities to hike, ski, kayak, and explore. The region is also home to charming towns and cities, each with its own distinct character and attractions. From the bustling streets of Vancouver to the historic charm of Victoria, you'll find a rich tapestry of culture, art, and culinary delights waiting to be discovered. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through some of the must-visit locations in British Columbia, highlighting unique experiences that will leave you in awe. So buckle up and get ready to uncover the hidden gems and iconic spots that make British Columbia a top destination for travelers from around the globe. Let's dive in. Welcome to Vancouver, a coastal gem that beautifully blends urban sophistication with stunning natural landscapes. This vibrant city is a must-visit destination, offering a plethora of iconic attractions that cater to all types of travelers. One of the crown jewels of Vancouver is Stanley Park, a sprawling oasis that boasts lush gardens, scenic seawalls, and breathtaking views of the city skyline. Whether you choose to stroll, bike, or rollerblade along the waterfront, the park's beauty is sure to captivate you. Just a short distance away, Granville Island is a bustling hub of creativity and culture. Here you can explore the famous public market filled with fresh produce, artisanal goods, and mouth-watering culinary delights. The multicultural vibe of Vancouver is reflected in its diverse food scene, where you can savor flavors from around the world, from sushi to dim sum and everything in between. For those seeking a thrill, the Capilano Suspension Bridge offers an exhilarating experience as you walk high above the treetops, taking in the stunning views of the surrounding rainforest. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty of activities to enjoy, including hiking trails that lead to breathtaking vistas and biking paths that hug the coastline. Vancouver is a city that invites exploration, with its unique blend of nature, culture, and adventure. Join us as we delve deeper into the vibrant life of this coastal gem. Welcome to Whistler, a premier destination that stands out as the ultimate adventure hub for outdoor enthusiasts. Nestled in the breathtaking coast mountains, Whistler is renowned for its world-class skiing and snowboarding opportunities during the winter months. With over 8,000 acres of skiable terrain, Whistler Blackcomb offers something for everyone, from beginners to seasoned pros. Imagine gliding down powdery slopes, surrounded by stunning alpine scenery, and enjoying the thrill of fresh tracks on a crisp winter morning. As the snow melts and summer arrives, Whistler transforms into a mountain biking paradise. The extensive network of trails caters to all skill levels, making it a haven for cyclists looking to experience adrenaline-pumping descents and scenic rides through lush forests. The vibrant village atmosphere adds to the charm, with shops, restaurants, and lively après-ski spots that keep the energy high year-round. Whistler is also home to exciting events that draw visitors from near and far. The Whistler Film Festival showcases independent cinema in a stunning mountain backdrop, while outdoor concerts and festivals fill the summer air with music and celebration. Whether you're hitting the slopes, biking down trails, or enjoying the local culture, Whistler promises an unforgettable experience for every adventure seeker. Join us as we explore the exhilarating activities and vibrant community that make Whistler a must-visit destination. Welcome to Victoria, the charming capital of British Columbia, where history and natural beauty intertwine to create a captivating destination. Known for its stunning historic architecture, Victoria boasts iconic landmarks such as the majestic Parliament buildings, which stand proudly along the waterfront, showcasing intricate designs and a rich history. Just a stone's throw away, the Fairmont Empress Hotel exudes elegance and grandeur, inviting visitors to step back in time and experience the luxury of a bygone era. One of the highlights of any visit to Victoria is the breathtaking Butchart Gardens. This world-renowned garden features vibrant floral displays and meticulously landscaped grounds that change with the seasons, offering a feast for the senses. Strolling through the gardens, you'll find yourself immersed in a kaleidoscope of colours and fragrances, making it a perfect spot for relaxation and reflection. Victoria's British influence is evident in its cosy tea culture, where afternoon tea is a cherished tradition. Numerous tea rooms and cafes invite you to indulge in a delightful selection of teas, scones and pastries, all while enjoying the warm ambience of this picturesque city. The vibrant inner harbour, with its bustling atmosphere and stunning views, serves as the heart of Victoria, where locals and visitors alike gather to soak in the charm of this coastal gem. Join us as we delve deeper into the enchanting experiences that Victoria has to offer. Welcome to the stunning Okanagan Valley, a region celebrated for its breathtaking landscapes, world-class wineries, and pristine lakes. This picturesque valley is a haven for wine lovers, boasting renowned wineries and vineyards that produce some of Canada's finest wines. Mission Hill Winery, with its stunning architecture and panoramic views, offers tastings and tours that showcase their award-winning selections. Just a short drive away, Quail's Gate Winery invites visitors to explore its beautiful grounds and indulge in exquisite wine pairings that highlight the region's rich terroir. Beyond the vineyards, the Okanagan Valley is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. Okanagan Lake, with its crystal-clear waters, provides ample opportunities for boating, swimming, and relaxing on sandy beaches. The surrounding hills and trails offer fantastic hiking options, where you can immerse yourself in nature while enjoying breathtaking views of the valley below. The culinary scene in the Okanagan is equally impressive, with a strong emphasis on farm-to-table dining experiences. Many restaurants feature locally sourced ingredients, allowing you to savor the flavors of the region in every bite. From fresh produce to artisanal cheeses and gourmet dishes, the Okanagan Valley is a food lover's paradise. Join us as we explore the enchanting beauty of the Okanagan Valley, where wine and nature come together to create unforgettable experiences for every traveler. Welcome to the Great Bear Rainforest, one of the largest temperate rainforests in the world, where nature thrives in its most pristine form. This breathtaking sanctuary stretches along the central coast of British Columbia and is home to an incredible array of wildlife. Among its most unique inhabitants is the rare white Kermode bear, often referred to as the spirit bear. This elusive creature captivates visitors with its striking appearance and is a symbol of the region's rich biodiversity. The Great Bear Rainforest offers numerous ecotourism opportunities for nature lovers eager to explore its lush landscapes. Guided tours provide an immersive experience, allowing you to witness the stunning scenery, diverse ecosystems, and abundant wildlife up close. Whether you're kayaking through serene waters, hiking along ancient trails, or embarking on a wildlife viewing expedition, the rainforest offers unforgettable adventures that connect you with nature. Conservation efforts play a crucial role in preserving this remarkable environment. Organizations and local communities are dedicated to protecting the rainforest's delicate ecosystems and the wildlife that call it home. By promoting sustainable tourism practices and raising awareness about the importance of conservation, they ensure that future generations can experience the beauty of the Great Bear Rainforest. Join us as we delve deeper into this natural sanctuary, celebrating its unique wildlife, ecotourism opportunities, and the vital conservation efforts that help safeguard this extraordinary landscape. Welcome to Tofino, a laid-back coastal town that perfectly embodies the spirit of adventure and tranquility. Nestled on Vancouver Island's west coast, Tofino is renowned for its stunning beaches and vibrant surfing culture. Long Beach, one of the most famous surf spots in Canada, attracts wave riders from all over the world. With its consistent swells and breathtaking scenery, it's no wonder that surfers flock here to catch the perfect wave while enjoying the stunning backdrop of lush forests and rugged coastline. The natural beauty of Tofino extends beyond its beaches, as it is also home to the Pacific Rim National Park Reserve. This protected area showcases diverse ecosystems, from sandy shores to ancient rainforests, offering countless opportunities for hiking, beachcombing, and wildlife viewing. Visitors can explore scenic trails that wind through towering trees and along dramatic cliffs, immersing themselves in the breathtaking landscapes that define this region. Tofino is also a prime location for whale watching, where you can witness majestic grey whales, orcas, and humpback whales during their migration seasons. Additionally, the town is rich in indigenous culture, with opportunities to learn about the traditions and history of the local First Nations communities. From art galleries to cultural tours, Tofino invites you to connect with its heritage while enjoying the serene beauty of the coast. Join us as we explore the surf, serenity, and cultural richness that make Tofino a must-visit destination. As we wrap up our journey through the stunning landscapes of British Columbia, it's clear that this province offers a wealth of diverse attractions and experiences for every type of traveller. From the vibrant city life of Vancouver and the breathtaking outdoor adventures in Whistler to the charming streets of Victoria and the serene beauty of the Okanagan Valley, each destination has its own unique charm and allure. The Great Bear Rainforest and Tofino further showcase the incredible natural beauty and rich cultural heritage that make British Columbia a truly special place to explore. We encourage you to discover these remarkable destinations for yourself and plan your own adventures in this captivating province. Whether you're seeking thrilling outdoor activities, indulging in culinary delights, or immersing yourself in local culture, British Columbia has something to offer everyone. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting travel insights and inspiration. Thank you for joining us on this journey through British Columbia, and we hope to see you on our next adventure.
Do you want to save big on your next adventure? Watch this video right here. It's basically a free training. See you there.